Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to decorate my family room. This is the recap of how I decorate this room last year. And this year, I'm going to use the same color. And I named this Reindeer Christmas Parade. So you will see a lot of my reindeer collection here.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can try.
Hi everyone, welcome to our family room in Reindeer Christmas Parade in the nighttime view.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. Christmas, baby.
This is my reindeer white collection, and I have few more of them in another area of our home.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Alright guys, so I will leave the link of some pieces that you've seen in this video, my bookshelves and also my console table.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Alright guys, so this lantern right here I thrifted. And this is my Mackenzie Child's Inspired small tree right here, and you will see that on my tablescape as well. And everything over here, that pillow right there from Home Goods 2 years ago, and some of the pillow you already seen that before, and I reuse all my deer. So this room over here, it's all about deer, and it's also perfect. My wall art right there from Value City, that emerald green curtain is very high-end fabric, and you've seen this before. This nutcracker right there, so I bring him back. And this green day right here from Target, and you've seen this one in my office, and I get it there because I changed my office a little bit there. This one is from the Christmas tree shop. The lantern right here from at home 2 years ago, and the deer, this big deer right here from Home Goods. And I believe this one is, I'm not sure, $30 way back because they were very cheap 3 years ago. Look at this garland, guys. It is very pretty and it's very full. I really love the detail of this. And this huge bill right here from Juan's. This one is only $25 because they were in sale when I bought that. So check your Juan's, maybe they still have this if you want that. And all the tree over there. So I supposed to have a sunburst mirror here, and I'm gonna put the picture there, but I changed my mind because of the flowers and because this is like black and gold, so I changed it with the original wall art there. This big there right here from Hobby Lobby, like 3 years ago. And this one over here is the same. And right over here, this garland right here from Walmart. And again, this there right here from Home Goods. And I also get this one from my office because I did change there. And this small white there, I believe this one from Juan's, and this one right here from Target last year. Alright everyone, some of you asked me where I purchased this lamp. This one came from Home Goods, but I find the link online, so I will leave that in my description box if you're interested to this lamp. And here guys, I would like to show you the daytime look so you can see all the detail of this family room in my their Christmas parade. And also I did a little bit of changes here on my little tree right here of a little bit of Mackenzie Inspired. And what I did is I changed the stand right here in this gold accent table, and also I put the black little tree as my topper. So these two big there right here, this is their signature area because I don't have an area to put them. It's very huge. So this is perfect on my fireplace, and you will see that every Christmas. We'll see if I'm not gonna get tired with it. And here's my console table decorating with all my Dare collection. My snowflake twinkle runner, it came from Pier 1 few years ago. On my Christmas home tour video, guys, I will be having a giveaway, and I mentioned this before. In every home tour video I will have a giveaway, so please stay tuned for my Christmas home tour video.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic.
And here's the collectible, the environment Christmas ornaments, and I have 3 pieces of them, and I cannot wait to find more of those because it is very unique and very pretty. This gift box right here, I use it as my stand on my Christmas tree. As I mentioned before on my video, my downstairs will be in this color, and upstairs it is in different theme. So downstairs I have to bring my peacock, and upstairs I will have a chinoiserie tree, and you also seen my Hollywood glam tree and my blast pink. So I hope you get some inspiration in this video, and if you do, and if it's helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. And to my tablescape lovers, don't worry guys, I'm still working on it, and I will have multiple styling there Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and happy holidays. Be safe!